MacBook Air 1466. This laptop has come to me for repair, and issue is no power on. We connect DC power supply. We now on DC power supply. After power on, it's taken 0.0022 amp. Amber light is there, but when we power switch, laptop is not powered on. There is an issue in motherboard. Let's open and check what is the issue. We open the board and see on our multimeter 3.42 available. This is a PP bus. This is a 3V42 LDO available. This is a PP bus also available. It's 8.6 volt, see, and PP bus fuse. This side also 8.6 and this side also 8.6. And this is a 3 volt S5. 3 volt S5 also available, and this is a 5 volt S5 is missing. Here is the 5 volt S5. 3 volt available and 5 volt S5 is missing, and this board is lots of corrosion. See, there is a lots of corrosion behind the board. See there. Board is fully corroded. Need to replace some parts and need to clean ultrasonic the board. See, crystal full corroded. This is memory IC. BIOS is also corroded. Need to clean full of this. And this crystal also corroded. There is also corrosion. This is IO. See, ECIC. There is also corrosion. Need to replace this diode and capacitor also, resistor also. And this is the backlight, and backlight, capacitors, resistor also corroded. Need to first we ultrasonic the full board, and after that replace all damaged components, and let's see what happened. We replace all faulty components. See the condition of motherboard as a new after ultrasonic. See, all IC is now cleaned and all joints are healthy. Ultrasonic cleaning is the very best cleaning for the Macs. Board is now just like a new. See, this is our. Now we connect. This is power supply. On DC power supply. See, after power on, this supply connected. It's taken an amp, 700-900 amp approximately, and if there is a blue light in my pen drive, display also coming. This is indicate that motherboard is okay now. See, laptop is powered on, blue light in pen drive. This case study of MacBook Air 1466 is now complete. Thank you. Connected. Now fan spin. Taken an amp. One turn off and on due to RTC reset. Now it's time to display. Display is coming, and this MacBook is now ready. Thank you.